being irritated. I was just looking at my husband. I'm feeling so irritated. Like,
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I watched this video what I want to talk about now from Abiandfamily. If you never watched that video, go straight to her house and watch the video, the full video, how she narrates. A lady reached out to her. This lady, she and her husband, they get married. Their marriage is about document. I'll play that part for now. I'll play am for now. So this lady, her husband, he can't give woman belle from the same country. And this guy, when they marry, they don't get four children, whether boys, they don't get four children. Then the reason why me want to talk about this particular issue, the way when Abby say he can't dey look her husband. You know, there is how you go bring matter on social media. You go be like the thing wan come rub you. I know say sometimes other people word matter, other people things wey other people dey go through, e go broke you down or e go make you feel sad, feel bitter. You know, you go come dey look at, you go come dey imagine, you know, yourself. Because when I see Abby, first of all, she say she lost her memory card. Sorry for that, sis. When she come narrate all the whole story, my people, Abby say she started to dey look her husband with one eye because she trust her husband. Not be your husband one. Why you come dey look your husband with one eye? There is ladies, as you sit up for that your video, there is some ladies. Let me play that particular video so that when I notice say, at least may I play some parts.
so ever since you called me this morning, I have not been myself. How can you be with a man? How can you be with a man? You eat together, you do everything together, you are together, you have kids together, you cook together, you go out together, you take your children out together, you have fun together. You know, he is so obedient to you, he's so honest to you as you thought. And at the end of the day, in the same country that you are, he cheated on you, have another baby. I can't put it together. I just can't. When? How? So she was telling me that this morning, and I was just like, I was just being irritated. I was just looking at my husband. I'm feeling so irritated. Like, are you serious? Like, literally, I was looking at my husband. I'm like, is this men? Is this how men works? Is this how you guys roll? I'm not man. I'm a woman, so I know how women rolls. Even though I don't do what some crazy women do, I'm just looking. Anyway, you guys, I just need you guys to please leave a comment. This is not the time to call me. Please don't call me. Leave a comment. Let's just learn together. She's going to be reading all your comments. I just pray she finds happiness again, because I don't think she would ever be herself again. Because if I'm the one, I will never be myself again. I will never trust again. I trust my husband with everything. Everything. I trust him with everything. But at the same time, don't trust him with everything. Don't trust men with everything. If things like this happen, you will just die. You will just die. Everything you build together. Sometimes I just sit down and be thinking like, hey, God forbid, if anything happened to me, would another woman come to this house and just take over my thing? I would just be thinking. At least you will say you want to move on, you want to go and marry now. And
The way she take the thing, some people feel look and say, nah, she, because for that video, she still talk and say, no be me, oh, maybe I not go say na me, no be me, you know. Some reactors, some people when they feed, when the YouTube they feed, maybe I not feel say na me, oh. You know, there is how you go. I'll try put that particular part when she for react, you know, when she for it talk, she can they look her husband with bad eye, she can they imagine, you know. For me, you're not supposed to imagine, you're not supposed to look, use that kind eye, look your husband. Why I talk like that? Because there is some ladies out there when they do works, your husband will come sit down and say, I can't they use one eye till they look you. Not make sense, my sister. I'm sorry if that part hurts you. That part not make sense. As far as I know be your husband, you're not supposed to use that eye, because you still get father, you get brother. The same eye when that person say, you know, no, mezebu, you can't use and they look your husband, or you can't use and they look your brother or your father. No. As all women, they are not the same. Now, so all men not still be the same. There is good men, there is good women, there is worse, there is bad, there is average. Now, so life just to be. And secondly, this person when this thing happened to I not really get what I want to tell you, because they say that who wear the shoe. Now I know how the shoe they do one for leg. We don't wear the shoe. We just they look you like, oh, take it easy. Oh, sorry. But you when you wear the shoe, you know how hot and how painful it takes to you. But the thing when I would tell you, if you come across this my video, take it easy with yourself. First of all, look around you. You get children. You get beautiful children. Don't let this thing break you down. Don't let this thing come make you How I wan take put am? Come make you start develop VP or develop sickness. I beg. As a woman, I know e pay when you even see say your husband cheat on you. Talk of you come hear say your husband get child. In fact, e dey pay. In fact, e go break you down, e go break you pieces. Please, my sister, the only part when I will still tell you, please avoid that part when you will come see yourself for sickness. Sickness will never be your portion. By see yourself for sickness, come take calm, personal, come dey think. If you know say you no fit forgive am, move on. If you know say you fit still forgive am, say you and your husband don too suffer, una don too sin, you fit accept that child. The man dey take care of am for outside. Then tell the man, ask the man, make he choose me or he and she. The one when he know say he wan choose. If na the lady outside, na he like. Okay, let the will of God be done. If na me, okay, I want you to stop close. I want you to stop. May you not go close to that lady again. The child, if you accept, accept. But if you know say you no fit accept am, they say the man, the thing they irritate you, they do you one kind, you no fit forgive am. According to our sister, he say you never tell, you don't know, but you never open up to the man. For me, I go advise you, call the man, open up to am, let him know the game when he dey play for outside. You don't catch am with red-handed. Let him know, open up to him, so that he will withdraw his step back. If you still need him, then you not need him for your own happiness. If you know you and the man dey stay together, say you no ever dey happy as you dey see him, say he cheat on you, let your decision, I no fit tell you say see the decision wey you go take. But if you know say you get that heart to forgive him and ask him if he need the woman or if he need you. If he say he need you, tell him to stay away from that lady. May he dey take care of the child. May you even dey the center. Anything when you wan give that child, may you dey the center, the middle, because you no want make dey close to that lady again. For me, dey the middle, except you no need the man again. My people, drop your own opinion, because the thing really dey heart broke. But what to say, what to do, we are born to make a mistake, and we are born to admit our mistake, to learn. We learn every day. If you will be Christian, you'll be pastor. Pastor pastor they get him own. Talk of person when you not be pastor. As our God talk, Jesus Christ, you know me say you be Christian, you don't face temptation. As far you are living, you must face temptation. But some men, please, as a lady not dey cheat on you, some lady they cheat, so not be only male. As your wife, they faithful to you. Use bossa, iron bossa, take hold that your cucumber. Because when you are nobody, because according to she, may una go watch the video. Now this lady give you document. I know say document not be life. But some lady they this abroad. When man don't get anything, they don't get anything when they'll do with you. But the moment they start to see light, those their eye went blocked before, they'll start to the opener. Many day like that. Many no one follow man, carry stick when it bend. They don't know the pain, the suffer, the sleepless nights when they go through together. But what did they see now? They see the breakthrough, they see the blessing, they see the favor, they see the good things. Then they want go lay butterfly put for them. They want go lay egg put for them. May una dey fear God though. May una go find una own. There is different men outside. May una go find una own. The one when he and the woman come together, suffer, struggle. May una not dey bring una sansan, una ugliness enter their center. Because when they suffer, they not see una. If you fit still do your own, it go be your own. Not be done when person don't do. When they dey together, when things not they move on. You think say now only Africa that they suffer. Abroad even suffer. Some couple for abroad, they suffer past some couple for Nigeria. Yes, abroad suffer they. Suffer. They after they don't pass that suffer, just come. Go put your leg. Say may they pack the milk and honey put for inside. Say you want go. It will never be done. And prayer when our sister pray, Abiandfamily. Me and they pray every day. Now prayer for many ladies. Pray, God, now you give me these children. I no go close eye, make other woman they take care of my children. You, when you give me these children, give me life to take care of my children. Let me eat the fruit of my neighbor. Let me see my children in Jesus' name. Now my prayer be that. As Abby talk just now, say he look everything. Say one woman, may God not let her close eye when she not feel open again. One woman, husband must say one move on. And the same thing to husband too. May God not let you close eye when you not open again. Me one woman come say let me move on. Then man when you don't know where you are your wife for suffer, you come enter there, you come dey shout unnecessary for your children. It will never be done. May God not let that kind of things happen. Then prayer to couples, na him. Always pray that prayer. May God not let any of us close eye, so that when another person, woman when you don't know where you and your husband for suffer, man when you don't know where you and your wife for suffer, you go just come, you go come start to shout unnecessary for your children. You know, so when you shout for your children, they do, and they do you anything, but when other person shout for your children, you go see that. Well, I don't know how to describe her. Like me, I don't know how to describe her, but I don't like her. Do you understand? I pray, may God not let anything happen to any couple where they don't get children together. Any couple, when God don't give them, when He don't bless them with children, may God not take their life. May God give them long life. Please do it to drop word of encourage to the woman or to anybody at all, because according to her, she say na person when they watch her. I say her husband say they watch her. See a lot of people they contact her to share secrets with her. But the lady even drop voice note. You know, say the voice note she listened to her because her phone automatic. Yes, some phones like that. But don't be that one I want to talk. Please drop your own opinion. Encourage her. No drop disrespectful. Please let this our channel, our comment section be respectful, so that any human being when you go come across this our channel, go no say yes. Learned people that might say be not go school. Learned people they did this channel. They know the insult. I don't like insult comment to please. Okay. Drop comment. No insult man. No be all man. As our sister talk just now, be say she could look her husband with one eye. No be all men. Some men, yes. Some lady, yes. And so me saying, okay, just drop your word of encourage to the lady, or go straight to Abiandfamily house. Go watch the full video as she narrate. Please let respect ourselves. Let respect, yes. Thank you all. Always, if you wear that kind of shoe, please look your children. No for sick. No to take am serious. Your children come first. Any lady, any man, any woman, when you don't get children, always look your children. Your children come first. Look your children. Not go think. Your enemy will come by another woman. That woman, when you know one may come, you come for the matter. No, take it easy. Okay? When you take us small, remove mind. Focus on your children. I know they will say children not be your husband. Yeah, children not be your husband, but children, they're small. Husband don't be adults. Your children are still small children. Be there for your children. Okay? And this one I get to talk with. I meet you in my next video. Ciao. If you never join this family, give me thumbs up. If you don't like it, no problem. Give me thumbs up. Okay? I meet you in my next video.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the